मैं ये वाला मेरा पर्सनल पिक्चर है कि तू गुस्सा जब होती है।
So I'm here in Jaipur right now, and this is a beautiful property. It doesn't feel like Jaipur because I can see hills in front of me. I see a pool in my room. So this is like my view right now. So I'm just chilling here, sitting. Though the temperature is really hot, but with the beer it does feel good. So let's get started with the cute summer fits that I wanted to show to you all. So the first outfit is this beige top and extremely cute lavender jeans with this lavender bag. And I'm also wearing these chunky jewelry to make it look more casual. I'm also wearing this scarf as a bandana because it makes it look even more cooler. So the next outfit is where I'm wearing this satin shirt with a knot on it, and I'm also wearing a bikini top inside to make it look like a very beachy look. I'm wearing these denim shorts with it. I've opened my hair to keep it more casual. So the next outfit is this really cute bohemian dress, and I'm also carrying some bohemian jewelry. So I'm wearing this beads necklace, as you can see, with some bead earrings as well. I'm also wearing these bohemian flats to make it look absolutely bohemian. And this is me shooting an Instagram video and a lot of struggles along with it. Hi guys, so we just had our 4 to 6 session here, which was basically free cocktails session. So we could have as many cocktails as we wanted to, and they were like very nice cocktails that we had. So I had margarita, and then there were snacks over here. So काफ़ी मज़ा आया हमें वहाँ. And अभी surprisingly हाँ weather अच्छा हो रहा है. As you can see ज़्यादा धूप नहीं है, and it's really pretty. Like you can see how pretty it is. Like काफ़ी सुंदर प्रॉपर्टी है एंड अभी हम यहाँ साइकिलिंग कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर रियली हैविंग फन. अभी हम सोच रहे हैं स्विमिंग भी करेंगे बिकॉज बहुत अच्छा वेदर हो रहा है फाइनली. सो So let's get started with the cute summer fits all over again. So the next outfit is this white jumpsuit that I got from Urbanic and I completely love it. I'm wearing a very colorful bralette or a bikini top inside which gives it a very nice pop of color to the whole look. And I'm again wearing a colorful beads necklace to give it a very nice summery look. So I feel this looks amazing together. For my footwear, I'm wearing these white wedges. And to just be a little dramatic, I've also put this flower on my hair. So the next outfit is this really nice top that I got. So I'm wearing this printed top over a pink colored crop top so that it does not show my skin too much, and I'm also comfortable wearing it. I'm wearing these straight leg jeans as well with it, which is not very skin fit and it's loose, so it goes well with the fitted top. So the next outfit is where I'm wearing a white colored crop top with a printed shorts as well as a white colored shrug. I'm wearing pearl jewelry with it, earrings along with this pearl necklace as well as a pearl bracelet. So I'm going all pearly in this. So the next outfit is an all crochet look where I'm wearing this crochet white colored dress with this crochet shrug with crochet jewelry. So I think this is a very nice crochet look. And again I'm wearing my white wedges because I think that they go with everything and I did not carry a lot of footwear on my trip, so yes. And after shooting all of this, I had the yummiest breakfast ever. I had these chocolate Nutella pancakes and I also had the best kachori ever, guys. And then these guys were so sweet. They gave us dahi chini when we were leaving from the hotel. Like, that is the sweetest thing ever. And it was time to go and I genuinely did not want to leave this place. This place had given me so many good memories.